Hello guys and welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about Mailjet Action Automation for Workflow. Actually one of our apps that you're about to install in your agency and connect to your Mailjet account and more importantly execute actions directly from your workflow for your Mailjet account. So let me show you how to set it up. At your agency view, you go at the app marketplace, we search for the app Mailjet, we go at install, we select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed. There you go. So we go at allow install, we choose the plan, this one, confirm, and you automatically open a new window where you just have to copy the custom menu link. Let's just copy this one. We make sure it's copied and we switch back to the agency view in order to create a custom menu link. So let's come here at settings, custom menu link. We go and create and we have to fill this. We started by selecting an icon for your custom menu link. When you're down, you come here, you type a name for your custom menu link. Here, you paste the custom menu link URL that you copy. Scroll down, you select your sub account where you want all your tools to be available. And here, you just have to select whether it's an user or all the users you want to give access to. When you're done, you say, let's look for our custom menu link. Here we have our custom menu link. Actually, we decided to name our custom menu link Greg Apps. If you guys name your custom menu link, my tools, make sure you have my tools here. So let's go on Greg App. We have apps available and connected apps. So if this is the first time, we were supposed to have Mailjet here. That's it. So let's go on connect apps. Now let's pretend that we didn't connect the tool yet, okay? Let's pretend that this one is inside available. So in order to get the tool connected to our Mailjet account, we just go at the setup and we have two keys required in order to get the connection going. But before we go any further, you have how to get your credentials. Actually, if you click on it, it will lead you to a smart cue that shows you how to get those keys. But let's switch to our Mailjet account and get all those credentials. Switch inside Mailjet. We come here at the top account settings. We come here at the API key management. So we have the primary API key here. Copy, we paste, we switch back to get the secret key. We come here to reset and we get the secret key. We copy, switch back, paste, and we submit. Bingo. Now we just connected our tool to our Mailjet account and now we're able to execute actions directly from our workflow for our Mailjet account. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys.